and mortals. It's time you served your god! He doesn't care about anyone but himself. That's no god to me. Of course I only care for myself. I wouldn't dare associate with vermin like you. No, you guys! Snap out of it! Wait a minute. Are you guys Saiyans too? No, there are a lot of Saiyans left in Universe 6. I really wanted to fight you guys. Not like this. Nope. Hit! Don't tell me we got to you too! Don't worry, I'll wake you up from this nightmare right now! Mortals there in battle. Those guys are under your control, aren't they?
They are under your guidance, yes. You're all brawn and no brains, aren't you, Goku?
Man, I really don't like you.
Perhaps I've told you.
Did anyone ever tell you you talk too much? All right, you gotta stop these guys. Something was off about that just now. I barely recognized you. I know part of it is that weird energy. You really trained hard after the tournament, huh? Hang in there. I'll help you get back to normal. There we go. Let's keep this up. As I would. Ah!
What?
Looks like they're back to normal.
Wow, hit! Hold on. You weren't actually being controlled?
No. Apologies for the deception. You are Goku, are you not?
Yeah, that's right. That guy isn't me.
So I see. And you're the one that brought us here, is that right?
You fools! You would dare harm the body of a vengeful god? Insolent! Arrogant! Thankless! Foolish mortal creatures! The time to repent for your pride is upon you, pathetic feeble mortals! You shall now know the wrath of the gods! Run away! The filth still persists. This power I possess, it is befitting of a god.
This is bad. Bull and the others are in danger.